I would say the day they put that in, they were, did a real good job of getting it in there. And,
we're very happy with it.
it's a very sturdy window
It
compared
is.
to what we had in there.
Yeah,
Okay.
another nice thing.
Yeah.
It got us into we're in the ballpark of what we wanted to spend on it, because original starting out, you would have put extra
In the bottom, two of
panes
those.
on the bottom, which would have ran it a lot much more than what we had figured.
More expensive. So we just had the one because we've got that window plus the door and air conditioning. So we figured we didn't really need the other
Mm-hmm.
two. So that worked out real, and that saved us money
Yeah.
too. So
Recommend them. And
yeah, good job, and you'd be pleased if you decided to do it, something like that. They were pleased and good job, and seems to be like a good company that you've got there. So
especially over this last winter.
Yes.
I appreciated, the other one was leaking a lot of air through it already.
we get a lot of wind, you know, from the river, so that came in mighty
That
handy.
was
So
there since 1967 when that was put in.
our old one,
Our old one.
it was bad. It was really weather warm. We're fortunate to have this one put in, I guess.